This morning, nearly 1,000 more cases of COVID-19 are reported in Florida in just 24 hours. It's a sign the state is still far from seeing the pandemic's peak. In a similar story for the rest of the country, more than 368,000 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in the U.S., with nearly 11,000 deaths. Florida makes up more than 13,000 of the nation's cases, more than 1,600 cases right here in the Bay Area, and statewide, 254 people have died.
And at a time when we are all watching out for coronavirus symptoms, how can you tell if that cough that you have is serious or just allergies? 8 on Your Side's Melissa Marino spoke with an expert about the symptoms you need to watch for.
Good morning. Health officials want to make sure that you avoid an unnecessary trip to the doctor's office or even the emergency room. Spring is in the air and so is pollen. Seasonal allergies are in full bloom, and the timing couldn't be any worse with coronavirus concerns. Medical experts tell 8 on Your Side that allergy symptoms are much milder. A runny nose, watery eyes, congestion, and sneezing that is worse with exposure to pollen. COVID-19 symptoms are more severe.
The cough in people with allergies, it can be dry because it's mostly, due to a tickle in the back of the throat. They may try to, clean their throat many times and cough. In COVID, they do cough, but the cough is more a deeper cough because it's because of airway as well as lung irritation.
The CDC has great information about symptoms that I have put on our website and our WFLA app. Melissa Marino, 8 on Your Side.
And right now, experts say one of the most important tools in the fight against coronavirus is the test. They're supposed to be free statewide, but we're learning that's not always the case. 8 on Your Side is investigating after a Palm Harbor family reached out to us, claiming a company tried to charge them $300 for a single test. John Abrish says his son's 19-year-old girlfriend is very, very sick. She doesn't have health insurance, and he tells us when she called Advent Health Centricare in South Tampa, they said they could do the test, but she'd have to pay first.
Fever goes in and out. The chest pains are going in and out. The breathing is problematic throughout. The only testing that we could find that she could do, she would have to go to Advent Health Centricare in Tampa, pay the $149 for the doctor visit, and then pay another $149 for the test. We thought that was insane.
And the family tells us they went to a private company because the free sites near them were closed over the weekend. 8 on Your Side reached out to the healthcare company asking how they're able to charge for the test and why, and we have not yet heard back.
Time is now 6:04 on this Tuesday, and one of the Bay Area's largest testing sites will be back open at least for 2 more days. Hillsborough County officials say the Raymond James Stadium site was able to get more testing kits, and they're going to be able to open through Wednesday. The tests at this particular site are provided for free, but you must make an appointment before you show up by calling the number on your screen, 813-272-5900.
And this morning, dozens of e-scooters are still out on Tampa streets, but are they safe to ride? 8 on Your Side looked into it as Hillsborough County leaders questioned how safe it is to share these scooters at a time when we are all worried about germs. Lime took all of theirs off the streets, but 3 other companies still have theirs out. Bird says it's cut back on how many are available. Jump and Spin says they are wiping down their scooters twice a day, but is that enough to protect you?
It still doesn't negate the personal responsibility for cleaning really any surface that you're about to touch.
Officials say the scooters are often necessary for lower income people who need to get around. And if you are looking to ride one, you really should wipe it down yourself before you get on.
Millions of Floridians are out of work for at least the next several weeks as this pandemic rages on. So the state says the process to file unemployment claims is actually improving. The state installed 72 new servers to handle the surge in demand, and more than 200 employees from other agencies now are being brought in to answer phone calls. Department officials say they are still way behind as they can only process roughly 80,000 requests a week, and they've gotten more than 500,000 requests in the past 3 weeks. So if you've filed with unemployment and you're waiting to hear back, there are some other things you can do to ease your financial situation. Contact your credit card companies and lenders out there and let them know that you are struggling. If you have credit card debt, getting a 0% balance transfer card could help you out. We also recommend looking into switching to a 0% introductory APR card for the time being to slow down that interest. And also look over your budget to see where you can conserve your cash.